In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the latest Ctrader version. Before we begin, make sure you're using the Ctrader desktop application and that you have a stable internet connection. Updates only take a few minutes and they help with performance, new features and bug fixes. Start by opening Ctrader desktop. If it's already running, you're ready to go. The update process happens right inside the app, so there's no need to visit a website or download a separate installer first. If your Ctrader is branded by your broker, don't worry. The steps are identical across versions. Your workspaces, templates, and custom indicators are preserved during the update. Next, look to the very top left corner of the window and click the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens a small panel with several options for app information and settings. From that menu, choose About. The About screen is where Ctrader shows details about the app, including the exact version you're currently running. This is helpful if you're troubleshooting or if you just want to confirm whether you're out of date. In the About window, check your current version number. If you're already on the latest release, you may see a note indicating you're up to date. If not, you'll see the option to update. Go ahead and click Update, then wait while Ctrader downloads and installs the new version. Keep the app open during this process. Depending on your connection, the download may take a moment. If your operating system asks for permission to make changes, approve it so the installer can complete. It's also a good idea to save any work in open charts or layouts before the update proceeds. When the installation finishes, restart Ctrader to apply the update. Closing and reopening the app ensures all components are refreshed and the new version loads correctly. After the restart, you should notice improved stability and access to the latest tools. If you'd like extra confirmation, you can return to the About screen to verify the version number now matches the newest release. If you didn't see an update button earlier, that simply means you were already current. That's it. Keeping Ctrader updated is one of the easiest ways to maintain smooth trading and get new capabilities as they roll out. If an update ever fails to download, check your internet connection and temporarily pause strict firewall rules, then try again. Thanks for watching.